Dear friends, today my topic is technology, the boon or bane. First of all, man is familiar till the morning to the evening with the only one thing, which is nothing but technology. Technology, what is technology? Technology means the implementation of techniques in a scientific way to create something which satisfies human desires and needs. Everything that was created by human being has advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, technology also consists of some advantages and disadvantages. In the case of advantages, technology can be treated as a boon, and in the case of disadvantages, technology can be treated as a bane. Advantages of technology. Technology can be used for printing and publishing some articles or books very fast and at low cost. For online booking and all net banking also, today we are using technology. And we are also using technology for online education by using Google Talk and Skype, etc. These are some of the advantages of technology. The disadvantages of technology. The disadvantages of technology are found when the advantages of technology are overused or abused. The disadvantages of technology are if a person is habituated to the technology, his anxiety will be increased and his brain cells are affected and he may overcome with some issues like cybercrimes, etc. I can say that the technology has become a part of our human life today because we all are using technology in our daily life in various forms like ACs we are using in homes and offices, and we are using induction stoves in our kitchens. So without technology, man can't do anything today. But still the technology was created by human beings. What else with the technology? If we are habituated to usage of technology, man can be affected to psychological issues, and in some cases sexual harassments also may be caused, and there are many more effects with the technology. Finally, if anybody wants to depend on technology, still he may be undergo with some cases like hacking of mails and records, and his usage of memory will be decreased because he was depending on the technology for storage. Like we are using memory cards and hard disk drives for the sake of storage. What to take away from this presentation? In the olden days, we used to love people and then use technology. But nowadays, we are using people and loving technology. Can we lose our value system? No. So we should develop technology which will be useful only. Finally, I can conclude that man is becoming a slave to technology. But still, let's not become a slave to technology. We the engineers should create the technology which was to do some things which cannot be done by human beings. But we are creating the technology which can be done by the human beings. So, if man is becoming the slave to the technology, let's not become a slave to the technology. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.